Welcome to the CommonCents $100 a day system, where we literally show you how to copy, paste, and get paid. Can you really get paid online? That's one of the biggest questions that people ask me because there's so many promises out there. There's so many people who are saying they can help you do this and help you do that. With the CommonCents theory, not only can you get paid, but we can literally guarantee it with our 3 simple steps: copying, pasting, and getting paid. If you look to the left, this is just a few of our team members from all around the US and the world who get on our weekly Monday night training to hear what the next topic is to speak about to allow us to literally profit off of 1/3 of the world on social media. So what are you copying? Guys, you are copying done for you ads by 6 and 7 figure earners who literally scale the ad first for you to make sure that it's profitable. So if you look here over on the right hand side, and I've been doing digital marketing for about 5 or 6 years, and I have to say that this is one of the most successful systems that we have put in place. And these transactions were just from one day, all right, of copying an ad that is no secret to our team. We give it to you. So where are you pasting these ads, guys? Facebook and Instagram. 1/3 of the world are on these platforms. For all my non-digital marketing experts or people who are listening to this that are not familiar with digital marketing, you have nothing to worry about because literally it is a 3-step system. And you're going to be able to literally every day get paid in your Cash App, PayPal, bank, and even cash with the strategies that we give you. This is my good friend Desiree. She said, I made $60 yesterday, all right, and she made $80 for the day, literally copying and pasting the strategy. And I met her maybe like 6 months ago, and she had never made money before online. And literally with this 3-step system, she's just so excited. She texted me the other day that she made over 130 bucks. So what is it that we are doing? It's very simple. We are profiting off of 1/3 of the world that is on social media. And for all my skeptics that are listening, you've probably signed up for things before and you did not see any success with it. I'm not promising you that you'll be a millionaire, but what I can promise you is that an extra $50 to $100 is normal for the people who follow the system. If you look to the left, this is a good text from my friend Barney, who is 67 years old, all right? And if you see her text, she says she made $138 for the day in Cash App and $200 cash and another $100 from offline, right? So if you're listening to this and you're not really so digital, don't worry about it, because with the strategy, we teach you how to even make money offline using the internet. All right. And so if you look to the right, this was one of our big team events that we did. We had people flying in from all over. We had about 100 people at that event, and people are just excited when you can make a guarantee and a promise and people are actually getting it. So what are we promoting? It is the drink to shrink formula, right? It's made of 9 herbs and it's a detox that aids in weight loss. Now, before you put pause on the video or think that it may not be for you, the biggest problem that people have as business people is that it's not about being a face of a product. Really, it's about finding a good product that the world wants and making sure when they purchase it that you're behind the transaction. We have sold over 5,000 of these drink to shrink formulas, literally regardless if it's online or off. So for all my people that are not into offline, don't worry, you have straight digital. And for my people who want to be able to make an extra $50 to $100 a day offline, our strategy works for that as well. Now, why is this different than any other weight loss product that is out there? Guys, it looks good. Just be honest. Even if you're looking at this right now, you wouldn't mind tasting this. It looks tasty, right? Well, what about not just promoting a product like this, but literally a product that is changing people's lives, all right? If you look here, here are some results with the drink to shrink formula, right? This lady lost 23 pounds in the last 4 weeks, and she says, thanks to the drink to shrink formula. Another lady says she lost 2 pounds in 24 hours. This is a miracle beverage. Our good friend, and we blocked their names out for their privacy. Within 1 week, I'm down 4 pounds and 2 inches in my waist. I am excited. This week, I'm going to incorporate exercise. Someone else said, wow, 4 pounds in 3 days. Congrats. Way to go. And you made your drink to shrink yourself. right? She said, thank you. I'm excited to see how this goes. The drink seems to curb my appetite. For all my non-health freaks out there, if you think that this is not for you because you're not into it, remember we're talking straight business here. All you're doing is copying and pasting an ad where we tell you to, and if you've copied and pasted ads before and it didn't get you any results, you didn't have the right trainer, okay? You've got literal 6 and 7 figure, digital marketers who've been doing this for years and multiple 6 figures consistently with the strategy we teach you. Now, the CommonCents system eliminates all the things that I think stop people from making money, right? Recruiting, talking on the phone, hotel meetings, big money to get started, making videos, and figuring it out yourself. That is the power of the CommonCents systems. We have eliminated that. You honestly do not have to recruit with this opportunity. And someone would say, well, this is a recruiting video. Yeah, because what happens is when people get on the Drink to Shrink, they recruit themselves, all right? Talking on the phone, you don't have to do this. The person who shared the video with you, this is exactly how we do it. We're sharing a video with you, and more than likely, most of you guys listening to this presentation, all right, you more than likely were a customer first, and that's the power of it. No hotel meetings. I just simply don't have time. I like to travel. No big money to get started. We eliminate it. You don't have to make the videos, and you don't have to figure it out yourself. These 3 guys over on the right to me are all 6-figure earners in the digital marketing community, guys, and we literally just put our brains together to come up with a plan to make sure that people can honestly say that they're making an extra $1,500 to $3,000 a month. All you do, you're copying, you're pasting, and you're connecting your Cash App and PayPal. I think one of the most exciting things for me was to get this Drink to Shrink card. I've got 2 of them, as well as my PayPal card, and literally get up in the morning and follow the system. And that training you will get access to when you join a team. I want to share some of the CommonCents Theory testimonials with you. This is Mike Kirkwood out in the Bay on the West Coast. He said, I ended up making over $300 today, and the day is not over yet. While trying to nurse my sick daughter back to health. Watch till the end for, and this was obviously a video I screenshotted. This is all in real time. All right. Ashanti Malone said, yesterday I had the biggest day of my earnings of $546 online. I've actually earned an extra $1,200 this week alone, and I'm so grateful. That side hustle hit different when it started paying the car note, the insurance, the cell phone, and the utility bills per month. And then obviously we're all part. She said 1/3 of the world is on social media. I can show you how to make money from your phone. Coach Lakeisha out in Texas, which is a nurse, she said, over $600 today while working my very busy nursing job. And Margaret said, I just posted and I made $100 in an hour, all right? And she is a mail carrier. So you can see we have a plethora of different people who represent the CommonCents theory. Teresa actually has her PhD, okay? Her PhD in business marketing. And she says, I just had a customer pick up 3 gallons of the pre-made jugs and an additional $75. I am at $922 for the night. I will hit 1K tonight. And actually, when she texted me that, she actually did hit $1,000 for the day. Barney Jackson, 67, so cool. I got the phone call from her when she told me how much money she made, and she told me she was going to get new rims for her car, and I told her I like them a lot, guys. I'm telling you, the CommonCents theory is really putting money in people's pocket, right? And Stan Baker, he said, that's all you, sis. You are a freaking genius. You got a whole tribe making money in real life. And I said, yes, of course, this is just the beginning. And he said, I believe it. And that conversation started because he was posting some money that he made for the day. And then there goes Desiree with her beautiful baby. She has 5 different kids, and she constantly reminds me of how this is a life-changing opportunity. It's 3 steps. You post the ad that we tell you to post, the 6-figure earners. People on social media inquire, and you get paid. I know that you're looking for a catch. I know you're looking maybe for some extra sales pitching to get you interested. It is literally that simple. It's some key things that we teach in the training, and once you join, when you get the training page, that makes a big difference. One of the things when people join us, these opportunities is they're left figuring it out themselves. Literally, you could take this strategy and there could be one thing you're doing wrong that stops your money. But the reason why every person that is joining us and following our system are having success, because we're telling you exactly what to do to the T. Guys, imagine waking up with an extra $100 in your Cash App. It is literally happening for people all around the world. And why is it working? No recruiting, right? Yes, this is a recruiting video because you're recruiting yourselves. You inquired, right? But you make more money actually not recruiting for the opportunity, which is crazy. And that's why we have so many people joining the opportunity. What you have to understand about social media is that there's a 1 to 10 distributor ratio, okay? Which means that most of the time, especially my network marketers out there, if you build a business where you need distributors, if you are not sharp in the leadership or recruiting field immediately, you have a 1 to 10 chance of getting people on social media to want to make money with you. Well, why not flip it? There's a 10 to 1 customer ratio, meaning that 10 out of everyone would love to purchase a product from you. After they purchase, they believe in it, they recruit themselves. But what's even crazier is when people are making money, they have no problem getting people into the business because people believe them. So if you're watching this and you've struggled to build a business or bring people into business, it's honestly because you haven't been making any money. And that's why people feel like in network marketing, all the same people make all the same money. Yeah, because people are attracted to success. So why not flip it and not even worry about recruiting when you first get started? Make some money and then just sell the truth, right? And that's one of my hashtags. I always say, sell the truth, don't lie, right? So many people lie to try to make money. You do not need to. If you are in MLM and struggling, this is 1000% for you. Trust me. I got this text message from someone out in South Carolina and I had asked her to send me something. She said, I made $100 today. That puts me at $1,100 for the last 7 days. God is good. And if you can see, she's really using our online strategy to kill it offline. All my people who do not like sales, do not think that she contacted these people. These people contacted her with the strategy that we use. And then Miss Shirley, she is a senior citizen, right? She's still young. She's 65 years old. She said, and you will see a lot of the people on our team love to say no hype, not bragging, and no lies. I hate when people lie. Just tell the truth. She says, no hype, no bragging, just listening and watching the footsteps of my leadership. This is only my Cash App from Sunday through last night, including cash orders. It's winning season because I listen and I watch. Praise God from whom all blessings flow. Now, if you're 65 and younger and you're on here and you don't make money from social media, you're tripping. Because if Shirley can do it, and I love it because every morning she posts her results in the group, then you can too, literally, from our simple strategy. How do you get started? For either $39.99 or $79.99, that is going to set you up with everything you need, the website to actually get your products ordered, and it's also going to get product in your hand for you to get started to start making your money. So what will you get? Access to the CommonCents training group, a free website, a training site, weekly coaching, 4 to 12 weeks of the Drink to Shrink formula so you can go out there and flip your money real quick, and 24/7 help within the group. And this was our Atlanta event. Guys, we got a next event coming up in the next 3 months, and you do not want to miss it. You want to be a part of the wave. The CommonCents theory is absolutely amazing. I have never been more proud to be a part of something in my life because I can honestly say that people are getting paid. So contact the person who showed you the video to get started, and welcome to the team.